Hello, how is everybody doing? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swelth Academy. I'm your host, Gabe Moses, and in today's video, let's take a look at this triple complex Elliott Wave correction, which I don't see very often. So right over here, we have our W, X, and further Y, which could be a double top, or it could break above our previous W formation. Now I don't expect you guys to know what I'm doing, so I'll go ahead and explain this in just a minute. These corrective waves is what forms when the market is going through distribution and accumulation. This is an irregular Elliott wave correction that you guys are seeing. This is the most common one. We see a WXY formation, which is very simple, pretty self-explanatory. Now, within W wave, it gets very complex. If we go more in depth into just a W wave right over here, this would consist of A, B, and C. All right. And inside ABC correction, so if we were to zoom in into our ABC corrective wave right over here, this would consist of 5 move up, 5 move down, and 5 move up, which is called a 5 of 5 of 5, like this. So we'd have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 5 move down. So we'd have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, followed by a 5 move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I'm giving you a breakdown of this so that we have an understanding of what these numbers mean, how I got them. Now back to what we were talking about. This Elliott wave correction right here is a triple complex Elliott wave correction. We have our ABC formation, which indicates that once C wave is in, let me go ahead and draw this here. So we have our W, which consists of our ABC right over here as we see. So we'd have our W formation completed at C wave. Right now, we're headed for this XY formation. And then up we go for Y wave. Now, according to our analysis, the bottom for X wave could be at a double bottom. Let me go ahead and erase this. And let's go ahead and make this line bigger. That way it's easier to follow. So this could be a double top bottom formation where we have our double bottom. X would be at a double bottom just where we're at right now. And right after, up we go for this Y wave. However, and this is a scenario that I want to put on the table, and this is why I've been coming up with shorter or bearish targets at the bottom. If this level does not hold above at $41, our next target would be at the 1.13 Fibonacci level. Cool. So 1.13 towards our 1.618 would be the next target. So we just take this measurement. X wave would mean that it goes down towards the 1.13, which according to Litecoin's fractal would be at $27 mark. And from such level, I expect this Y move to the upside, similar to what we witnessed, or similar to what Elliott wave theory indicates. Now this Y wave could be at a double top formation at 145, or it could be at an irregular at the 1.13 fib level. So you're looking at approximately, give or take, from such $40 mark, 200% return, or later at the 1.13, 400% return. That's why me personally, I'd like to see a pullback towards that $27 mark. You'd be making 200% more, right? And target once again, we'll see how price action reacts at this 146 mark. If it breaks above, look out for the 1.13. Similar to what we were witnessing right now, we're at that $42 mark, double bottom formation. You know, you can go ahead, accumulate some long positions. If it breaks below a dollar cost average all the way down to $27, and from such zone up we go for our Y wave. Cool. And of course, once we go up for Y wave, as we discussed, it's going to be an ABC rally. So expect a 1, 2, 3. And within this, we're going to have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Followed by a 5 move down and a 5 move up. Cool. So once again, this is called a triple WXY formation. I don't see them very often. It's nice to trade it. Actually, it's not that nice because it's freaking confusing, as you can see. But just psychological wise, rhythm wise, fractal wise, it's a good way to get prices for a very low price. All right. You're going to have a lot of panic sellers. You're going to have a lot of uncertainty with such patterns. And as an investor, as a day trader, swing trader, I love uncertainty in these markets. That's what gives us a lot of opportunity and what causes volatility in these markets. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some type of insight of what's happening with Litecoin. That being said, this video helped you out. Hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.